Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to send Stellar cryptocurrency from Gemini to your Ledger Nano X. With 2025 bringing even more advancements in crypto security, keeping your assets offline is crucial for protecting them from hacks and exchanges. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more easy-to-follow tutorials. First things first, before we dive in, ensure you have your Ledger Nano X set up with the Stellar app installed. You'll also need a verified Gemini account with some Stellar lumens ready to transfer. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Stellar app on the device. You'll see your wallet details pop up. Don't worry, we're just getting your address. Step 2. Log into your Gemini account on their website or app. Navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section and select Stellar from your list of assets. This is where you'll initiate the send. Step 3. On your Ledger, the device will display your Stellar public address. Carefully copy this address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so take your time to avoid errors. Step 4. Back in Gemini, paste the address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Stellar you want to send, and don't forget to check for any network fees. Gemini will show you a confirmation screen. Review it thoroughly. Step 5. Confirm the transaction on both Gemini and your Ledger Nano X. Your Ledger will prompt you to verify on the device itself for added security. Once approved, sit back and wait. It usually takes a few minutes, but could be longer depending on network traffic. A quick tip: always verify the address by comparing it character by character to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. And remember, never share your Ledger's seed phrase with anyone. There you have it. That's how you securely move your Stellar from Gemini to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. You're now one step closer to full crypto independence. If this helped, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.